See, in the 80s, people used to say, hard work is the way for success. Many people worked hard to make good careers, but then they could not find the success they desired or deserved. By the time 90s happened, everybody said smart work is the way, and many people really could not understand what is smart work, but then they tried, and because of that, repetition of information practice happened a lot. And this also created a lot of stress and pressure on human intellect. Practice makes man perfect is also one statement that we keep listening to. And when we are continuously and constantly trying to process or practice the same information again and again, our brains go into a lot of stress. So these days, what we actually need is not only the hard work or the smart work. What we actually need is smart hard work. Now, to understand this smart hard work concept, we need to actually look through the scientific explanation. Cognition is the word scientific studies often use. Cognition is defined or explained as ability of a person to absorb, process and understand information. So, when presented with a concept, every human being has a level of ability to absorb, process that information and understand it. So, what should be done to increase our capability and competence to absorb and process the information that is thrown at us? When scientists tried to understand the functionings, the neurophysiology, the psychology and all, they came up with this new unique concept that they keep referring to as neurocognitive development. They understood that brain is the hardware and mind is the software. For our understanding purposes, I am trying to present it this way. So, both mind and brain have to function in cooperation. But for most people, they use a very small fraction of their brain. And thereby, the nervous system, the brain, and the cognitive ability of the mind are not working to the capacity that they can work. So, this neurocognitive development processes include a kind of human expansion of intellect where ability to process the information, understand and assimilate it, reproduce it, multifold increase is experienced. Sukshma Drashta is a neurocognitive development program which enhances the natural expression of competency and capability in mankind.